Okay, everybody could see?
¿Podéis ver ahí?
Yeah? Okay. Where is the location of her problem on the lung channel? Can you show me?
En la marioneta, ¿dónde está su problema? En el meridiano del pulmón. ¿Me podéis enseñar?
This is a little bit too proximal. I would say almost like here. Yes. Everybody show me on the lung channel. Yeah, this is too medium. Look what she showed. Can you show again? Sorry. Here. This is a wrist. Okay? And about here, and this is the elbow. It's very close to the wrist. Everybody can see?
Aquí tenemos la muñeca y aquí está el codo. Entonces, si veis, el dolor está muy cerca de la muñeca.
So I'm going to palpate on each side, and then you tell me which side is more ashy.
Entonces voy a palpar de ambos lados y le pido que me diga de qué lado duele menos. Más.
So the same side is more ashy.
Entonces el mismo lado es más doloroso.
So I put a needle on the. It's close by lung 7.
Está cerca del pulmón 7.
And this tender also? Not so much. Okay. Then we just try with this. And now what do? I ask my patient to move a little bit.
Y ahora le pido que mueva un poco.
It's okay, no more? Very good. Give me 5.
Ya no hay dolor.
Thank you.